All right, so let's take a look at a few of the social engineering techniques, starting off with quite possibly the most popular one, and that is phishing. And of course, this relies on creating a sense of excitement or panic in the target by using emails. I'm pretty sure you've heard of phishing emails before. You might get an email from somebody from YouTube claiming that, oh, there are some issues with your account, and then they'll provide a link for you to click on so that you can fix the issues, and then that link was actually a malicious link. Or they might pretend to be from PayPal, saying that, hey, you know, the deposit that you sent, there's a problem with it, you know, check your PayPal account to fix the problems, you know, things like that. So phishing, we are well aware of what it is. But then there is the variant called the spear phishing. Now, spear phishing is an attack against a very specific individual or organization. That's why it's called spear. They have a very, very, very specific target. But we also have angler phishing, not quite as popular, but this kind of phishing attack is directed specifically at social media users. And of course, we have whaling. This will be the phishing attack targeted at senior executives of an organization, the big fish, basically. And then vishing. Now, vishing relies on creating a sense of excitement or panic in the target using a phone call. So while phishing uses emails, vishing would use a phone call. You may have gotten that kind of phone call before from somebody claiming to be Dick Jones working for Microsoft, telling you that you've got viruses on your computer and that they're here to help you. Well, that's an example of a vishing attack.
Yeah, hi, am I speaking with Mr. George Churchill?
You are.
A very good afternoon, Mr. Churchill. This is Rosie, and I'm calling you on behalf of Domestic and General. I would like to inform you that your washing machine warranty has got expired. And the reason I'm calling you today to extend your warranty with unlimited calls, free laborers, parts, and replacement warranty as well. Churchill, would you like to extend your warranty for next 12 months with promotional offer?
How much will it cost me?
If you want to go for a monthly direct debit for next 1 year, it will cost you £8.99 for 1 year. But if you want to go for a one-time payments of complete 1 year, it will cost you £99 for 1 year, where you can save around £20 to £30 compared to monthly direct debit.
And then we've got hoaxes, okay, where the hacker could impersonate an employee or maybe even an angry customer. These are not quite as malicious, but it's still kind of annoying, really. And then we have smishing. Now, this would rely on creating a sense of excitement or panic in the target using a text message. So phishing is emails, vishing is phone calls, smishing will be text messages. And of course, we've got the infamous invoice scam. This is usually the next step after a whaling attack. Remember, a whaling attack is the attack against the senior executives of a company. Once an executive account has been compromised, the hacker will then send a fake invoice to the finance. So let's say, for example, the hacker has taken over the account of the COO. They might then send an invoice to maybe the secretary claiming that, hey, you know, we need to pay this invoice to this particular bank account, except that that bank account might actually belong to the hacker. And of course, baiting. Classic example here would be dropping infected USB drives in the parking lot to influence employees. The hope here is that a naive employee will pick up one of these infected USB drives, take it into the workspace, and then plug it into the workstation and then infect that computer and their entire network. So that's it for part one. Here we've covered phishing, spear phishing, angler phishing, whaling, smishing, vishing, hoaxes, invoice scam, and baiting. So join me in the very next video where we'll now take a look at another set of social engineering techniques.